Good morning, good morning. Gain trading crypto and be welcome over here. We're gonna do live today. What's Powell gonna do to us? If you guys can hear me, let me know. Thumbs up, please. Thumbs up if you can hear me. I'm preparing. Let's see. Good morning, good morning. Yes. Thumbs up, please, if you can hear me. Let me put on my good morning retail fam. Let's see. Like that. Let's see. Okay, guys, we're gonna do a Powell. What to expect from Powell. We're gonna talk about Bitcoin, financial markets, what to expect today, what to expect from crypto also. Is the blood done, or are we going to bleed even more? So that's what we're gonna talk about. Push on the like, please. Leave a comment. And just bear with me one moment. I will prepare the vid and then we'll get the retailers joining in and we'll start the vid. Yes. Ah. Oh, yeah. Ah. Thank you. Let's get it running. Welcome, guys. Welcome. And be welcome over here. Gain trading crypto. What do we've got today over here? Well, what do we've got? We got Nick. Good morning from England. Nick Morgan. Welcome, bro. Mario. Good morning with the fam. Truck driving here, but always listening. Oh my God, truck driving. Well, we're driving also a lot on the charts over here. Let's see, I can hear you. Alpiman, welcome Alpiman, welcome bro. I finally know who you are, Alpiman. I didn't know that you were Alpiman. Only you, good morning. Danny Dix from Holland, goedemorgen. Then we've got Daniel B, we've got our Duke from South Africa, Gary Kaufman. What do we've got? Anand, Rocket, Bucks, Beaver, Muhammad Ali. Good morning, Atole. Good morning, guys. Welcome into the live of today. Today it's all about Powell. Powell, yeah, what's Powell going to do? Is Powell going to destroy us? Or is Powell going to bear it? What is Powell going to do? Well, let me first of all tell you that Powell today, the expectations are that he's going to do nothing. So he's not going to cut rates and he's not going to raise rates. He's going to do, those are the expectations. It's no guarantee, but those are the expectation from the high economic Einsteins in the markets. But, you know, whatever he's gonna do, if he's gonna, I don't think he's going to raise rates because he would destroy the economy that way. But I think that there is a small chance that he may cut rates as a surprise. It could be a surprise. So what would be the result if he did? Well, normally is that the markets will jump up even more because he will help the people that have mortgage or hypotheken. How do you say hypotheek? In Dutch, it's hypotheek. I hate that word. Mortgage, or whatever how they say it. Hypotheek. Well, he's going, the ones that are getting loans from the credit cards, buying a lot of, you know, it's really mind-blowing to think about these guys. You know, we are living in Europe. Well, over here, if you buy a car, you just go buy a car with the money that you have. In the United States, most of the people, if they want to buy a car, they need to lend money and pay a lot of interest to buy a car. It's really mind-blowing. I really don't get it. Why don't you just work hard, save some money, and just buy the damn car? Why would you lend money and pay a lot of interest to buy a freaking car? I really don't get it. Just save some money and buy a car based on the money that you own. Why would you go lend money and pay a lot of interest to buy a freaking car? I really don't get it. Yeah, mortgage rates, mortgage, freedom mortgage. I really hate that word, mortgage. Just go die. Mortgage rates. Mortgage rates. I hate that word. Mortgage. Mortgage. Or do you say, how do you pronounce it? Mortgage or mortgage, whatever they say it. We say hypotheek in Dutch. Very simple. We say hypotheek, very simple. Okay, guys, let's dive into the charts. English is not my thing. There is a team member, he tells me, why don't you go live in England or in the United States, for Australia or whatever, go live there for like a year. That way you'll get your English very, very at a high level and then go back, do your thing as you always do. Well, I tell them always, listen, I'm in here to make money and that's what I do best. I read charts, I read markets, I read economics, I read crypto, I read scams. That's what I do. I make money. And if I do it in English, in Chinese, in Dutch, in French, in Arabic, whatever language out there, it's about how to make money. It's not about, you know, you can go watch someone that speaks fluently English at high levels. But if he's not showing you how to make money, how to protect your capital, well, you tell me. I really don't know. You know, I don't give a damn what language someone speaks as long as I can understand him and if he's nailing his content and saving me money or making money. That's what it's all about. So I will not go and live in the United States to get my English better. So that's just not gonna happen. So guys, first of all, what I want to show you guys is it's really mind-blowing how this autistic Wall Street gang, because it's a big gang, how they keep doing the same for like 17 months. It's really mind-blowing. It's like 17 months on a row, they pre-pump Powell. So every time when Powell gets in, they pre-pump it. It's, you know, it's blowing my mind. It's really, it's just free money for 17 months on a row. They keep, so it's just what you have to do is like this. Wait for like 3, 4, 5 days before Powell gets in. Go all in on US 500 long. And it's free money. Boom. And you know, I know the danger because at some point it's gonna change. But it's now for 17 months on a row that they keep doing this. It's really, I just don't get it. It's really mind-blowing. But for how long can these freaks keep doing this? Because listen, this chart, this thing has been here for months. And listen, we hit it over here, rejection. We hit it over here, rejection. Today I tweeted something about I'm scared. And when I say I'm scared, I mean it, guys. I'm really scared. I'm really, really scared. And I'm not scared about US 500. I don't give a damn about US 500. I'm scared about crypto. That's what I'm scared about. Because what I've been teaching you guys and showing you guys past months is that every time when this thing just makes a tiny, tiny correction down, you see crypto plummet down like as if... I just don't get it. Because why am I scared? I'm going to explain you guys why I'm scared. Because at some point, this monster will make a correction. And let me take you guys back. Over here, we had this liquidity zone. We went up. We came down and retested this resistance as support. And over here, we went up again. So I'm just giving you guys my thoughts over here. We didn't test this zone yet, so we came back over here, but this was nothing. We didn't even test this liquidity zone over here. You see, we didn't even manage to get here. So my thoughts, my macro analyze is that we need to come back to test this zone because we came up, came down, retested it over here, and then went up. So we either gonna test this box over here. So this one, come back over here, and from here on go on, or we even gonna get the lower, or we even gonna get this one. So no matter if this one will hit, or this one will hit, or it doesn't matter. Either way, if this thing comes down, crypto will come down. And that's what scares me. I'm afraid. You can't get me afraid very fast, but I'm really afraid, guys. And this is what is scaring me. So I was talking with my buddy Sid in this morning, and I told him at some point we need to start praying that crypto will get its own life. It has to be incorrelated to these Wall Street freaks, because this thing is at tops. We're topping out on the markets, and the election are coming up, and I know that the Biden administration is trying to ramp this up until the election. So we've still got this line over here. These are the elections. So maybe we'll get something like the chopper on. Maybe we'll get even higher. So this will hold the crypto markets, in my opinion. But at some point, this thing it needs to make a correction of 20-30% at least. And I hope that it will happen very fast, because if you just get a big red candle down, this will be the safest for us crypto. But you know what scares me is the fact that we need crypto to incorrelate from these markets. That's how. You know, this is very dangerous, guys, because if this thing comes down, it will create a lot of pain. So the safest way for us, if you want to buy in on projects like VeChain, like Near, like etc., and you want to hold them long term for a 10x, 20, 30x, we first need this thing to come down. This thing needs to make a big, let's say, the best scenario will be if it would hit the 4K level over here and just chop around over here and then go up. And when it hits over here, that's the best buying opportunity for crypto. That's when we can make the 10, 20x's, but it just doesn't want to come down. And yes, I agree, the elections and the Biden administration will do everything they have to keep this thing just ramping up, but at some point, something needs to break. Something needs to break, and this is what is scaring me. And while it's scaring me, I have to prepare myself for what's coming and how it's going to come, and how are we going to act on it. Well, first of all, let me tell you what the team is doing. The team is going to make a lot of money. It's just, I know this for 100% sure. They will make a lot of money. And how are they going to make a lot of money? They're going to short everything. At some point, they're gonna short it, and short it very heavy. Past 2-3 days, I've been receiving so many P&Ls from private group members. It's mind-blowing how they are killing all those altcoins on the shorts. They don't let those scammy market makers take that money from them. What they are doing, they're not only out of the markets, no, they're also shorting together with them. So they're dumping with them and they're making sick gains. Sick gains. And I think that it will get even, I think that there will be much more dumps to come, a lot more. And what will help you make money on those shorts is the MW indicator. That's what helps you. Because why? Just use the freaking thing on 50 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour. It will show you the way. And don't be afraid, because when you're afraid, you're not going to make money. Don't fear. What you have to do, you have to be a bot. Don't think, don't hope, nothing. Kill your emotions and just follow the damn thing, because it shows you what those market makers are doing and what the whales are doing. And when they start dumping, because there's also a scenario when they start dumping, at some point, this is just how a human mind works. How a human mind works is that you think, suppose, let me give you an example. Why am I just talking like this? Let's just show a chart and let's just, for example, let me show you guys something. VeChain. Let's just go to VeChain. Over here, we broke the indicator. Let me get it under 1 hour so you can see it better. So over here, we broke the indicator. Over here, this was the break below it, this was the retest, and you just shorted. So you gotta make sick money. So you made this sick money. But when you're looking at this chart and it gets over here, well, I already made so much money, VeChain can't go any lower. This is how the mind works. This is how people are. They use their mind, they use their emotions, they're sensitive to whatever. It creeps. No. VeChain, I made so much money over here and it dumped so much, it will not dump anymore. And that's when the MW indicator comes in play. It will show you that it can go much lower, because over here, below it, entry again, you make a lot of money on another short. And then up over here, rejected entry, you gotta make another big trade and a lot of money on a lot of shorts. And as you guys can see, it's getting rejected again over here. So you have to see it like this. The charts work like this. So they either go up, rejects, up, a little bit down, up, a little bit down, and that's how they go. This is in a bullish phase. But on the downtrend, it's the same. It comes up, bounces up, another down, bounces up, another down, another. And do you know how much money you can make in these regions? You make sick gains, but the mind will tell you, no, it's impossible. We already dropped so much, we already went down so hard, it can't go any lower, and then you will miss on all these gains. And I'm now talking about really traders that know what they're doing. I'm now talking about really traders that know what they're doing, but retailers that don't know what they're doing, let me tell you what they do. This is what they do. They go, suppose they buy in over here, and when it dumps over here, they buy more here, and then over here they buy more here, and then they buy more here, and then they this year buy more here, and then, oh my God, it cannot go any lower. They buy more here, and then it goes a bit up. They buy more here, they buy more here, and they are super wrecked, totally wrecked. They're just buying more, while a trader that knows what he's doing, instead of buying on spot or longing or whatever, he's just following this damn thing and just, okay, dump down, okay, I'm gonna short it again, why not? Over here, I'm gonna short it again, why not? Over here, I'm gonna short it again, why not? Over here, I'm gonna short it again. Do you understand? This is how smart money makes money. This is how smart money makes money. Don't think, kill your mind. In trading, if you want to be a trader, also if you're investing, you have to really be trading based on what you see and not how you feel. Because if you're gonna trade on how you feel, well, oh my God, VeChain dumped a lot, it's time to buy in. It dumped even more, let me buy more. It dumped even more, let me buy more. And you're getting totally wrecked. It's just how it is, guys. This is reality. What I'm explaining you guys now, this is reality. This is how retailers get wrecked in crypto. It's exactly this. And you know, there is a lot of voice from a lot of influencers that keep telling you that VeChain is the best VeChain. Well, I'm also one of those because I believe in VeChain. I love VeChain, but I will never tell you to buy over here. When I talk about any project out there, I will always show you the lower time frames, the blood where to buy, and not over here. So that's why I always, when I make a vid, and maybe sometimes I miss the buy zones, but I will trade them. That's what I do because I'm a trader. I'm not an investor. I'm a very small percentage is investor. I'm a trader. I trade based on what I see. And when I see VeChain dumping down, I will not buy. I'm waiting. Either it will hit my buy zones over here. Let me show you. Either it has to buy, I have to really over here. It has to get over here. And as long as it does not get over here, I'm just trading it. And while trading it, I'm buying the support zones, selling the resistance zones. That's how you do it. And that's the only way to make money in crypto. It's the only way to make money in crypto because that way you protect your capital, you go in and out. Because guys, these dumps will hurt you. These dumps, what is this? This is from over here to, this is 60%. And VeChain is really a project and an altcoin that I go in very heavy. This is a big cap. This is not some coin with play money like I explained. This is a lot of money. And if I would put in like 50K in VeChain and I'm losing 60% of my money because I don't know what I'm doing, because I just listened to my favorite crypto guru is telling me that VeChain is the future, and I'm losing 30K, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of freaking money, guys. So that's not how you do it. What you're doing this way is you're becoming a long-term bag holder, and you're gonna get wrecked because maybe you're gonna have to wait a very long time to just get that break even. So that's about that. So let me go back. Powell, we were talking about Powell. So Powell, so today, guys, the volatility will hit in. I think this is the election. I think that we had this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks of up. This is my first resistance level, 54.50, and my next one is around 55. So whatever happens, if this thing just jumps up today or whatever, there is. We're coming down again. That's what I think. That's just my analyze. I could be wrong, could be totally wrong if Powell says something bullish today or he's very bullish or whatever, because he has done it before in December. So it depends on what Powell's gonna say, but normally what I think based on this chart is I think that we still have, what is this? Let me show what is this. This is a max of 1.8%. 1.52%. I think this is it, and then we have to come down again. And when this thing starts coming down, that's when I expect more blood on crypto, and also our buy zones are going to get hit. That's what I'm expecting. That's how I'm connecting it all together. So that's what I'm preparing for. And you know, the team, what they're doing based on this analyze, they are preparing now for their shorts. They're looking for those weak altcoins that have got very bad tokenomics, and they're looking for the ones that are getting pumped up on leverage to liquidate some greedy shorts, and that's where they will strike, just like they did on NOT, just like they did on a lot of coins. That's where they will strike, and they will destroy and make a lot of money. So this is how you read these markets, and I could be totally wrong here, but you know, if you're trading, it doesn't matter if I'm right or I'm wrong. Why? Because you've got the damn indicator. He will show you the way. He will show you. He will guide you through it. He will guide you through it if you should be in a long or in a short. Just like those free private group members are destroying the charts and making P&Ls like crazy. It's really, guys, you know, Yesterday, I got a DM from someone who wants to collaborate with me. I cannot say his name for now, but he tells me, I watch every freaking vid that you make. I told him, really? Why would you watch my vids? I've got only like, all my lives, I've got like, whatever, 30 viewers. He told me, I watch every single one. Why? He told me, because I act based on what you analyze. Why? Because I made a lot of freaking money past years. I'm doing this for years. I was really shocked when he told me that. I was really, and this is someone with, what is it, maybe 400-500K followers. I told them, I really respect the fact that you're so honest about this, because many people, they don't say or share this. No, he told me, I'm gonna say it. I made so much money with you. You are my sentiment. You are my sentiment provider. If I should sell or buy, or I should be long or short, he told me, I just watch your vids, and I also I was really shocked. He told me, you are the one that I follow to know what to do, if I'm going long, if I'm going short. And he has got his own team and researches on altcoins, so he does his own thing. But for him, it's just important to know when to be bearish, when to be bullish. And listen, this is someone with so many followers, and that says something about how naive and how, should I say this? Okay, maybe I'm gonna say, he's not gonna like it, but I'm gonna say it. This is what shows how stupid retailers are. They have no clue what they're doing. They focus on how to make money. Look for that one that will show you when to be bearish, when to be bullish, because that's how you make money. That's all that, listen, in trading, that's all it's about. When to be defensive, offensive, when to be long, when to be short, when to be bullish, when to be bearish. That's all there is. There ain't nothing else. So let me go back. I was scared. So I'm scared. When I'm scared, I was talking to my buddy Sid, and to get crypto creating its own life and going against the US markets, we need China to come in play. We need, because now with those ETFs going on in Hong Kong, we need China to open up the markets where they want, and for the Chinese people to start investing in crypto. That's what will trigger our bull market, in my opinion, because that's, in my opinion, also the only way to make the biggest gains in crypto. We need China to get involved in crypto. We need their help, because that way Wall Street, even if this thing comes down, Wall Street will not accept for those Chinese people to make a lot of money in crypto. They will play along, and that's when it will all happen. So that's what I'm praying for. I cannot see the future, but that's the only thing that I pray for at this moment. So I really hope that it will happen. But in the meanwhile, while that is happening, because we are not going to wait for the future, what's going to happen in crypto, whatever. What we need to do, we all know that crypto is getting. Ah, damn! I hate when I forget those English words. Accepted globally, and we're seeing that happening. So those are facts. So crypto is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. The only problem with crypto at this moment is that a lot of money is focused on a lot of crappy coins, meme coins, celebrity coins, whatever. So what we need is that crypto that will get that turnaround, and those projects like VeChain, like Ethereum, like Polkadot, etc. They need to get back into the game, and when that happens, that's when crypto will be taken seriously also by institutions, and that's when we will make those gains. And in the meanwhile, while that happens, we're gonna do two things. We're gonna wait for the blood to come in, so we're gonna buy the blood. That's what we do. We buy blood. We don't buy FOMO. We sell FOMO. So for the ones that leverage trading, you're gonna use the damn indicator, and you're gonna short every opportunity that you get. And when we hit the buy zones, that's when you start either opening longs at very low leverage, so you can keep building on them, or you're gonna buy on spot a lot of bags and just hodl them for the biggest gain. So that's the plan. That's the plan, and there is nothing else. So that's today about Powell. So Powell, whatever happens, we are at resistance levels, in my opinion. And we are at resistance levels, and if we'll get that dump, Bitcoin will bleed even more. It's just how it is. I'm not going to change anything about it. So let me put on the Bitcoin chart. What are we seeing? So Bitcoin is really... We even fell to the 60. We didn't hit the 65, but look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. We lost this one. So we made a new low. We made a new low. We even lost this one. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? We made a new. This is, by the way, on Binance, guys, against the US dollar, not against USDT, but we made a new low. And when we made a new low, you just have to go and find the next low. So this is the next low. Next low will be 64.4, and then you're gonna look for the next low. That's over here. So these are just. But you know, I made a vid, and you know, there was one guy. He told me, Ambi, you predicted that Bitcoin could even go to the 40K. Yes, I did. So what? Well, you're crazy. He told me. You're crazy. Bitcoin will never go to 40K. Bro, I don't care about BlackRock, about institution. I don't care about anything. If you think that that's the reason why Bitcoin will never go down again or to the 40K, you're really crazy. Because why? As long as this monster keeps heading up like this and you see Bitcoin holding its range, congrats to you. When this monster starts dumping down, that's when we'll start talking about this chart. And you're going to tell me if Bitcoin will not hit 40K or maybe even go lower. So we're going to talk about that one. And just for your information, when Bitcoin was at 69K in the previous cycle, well, I told them I will not buy Bitcoin above 17K. Well, Bitcoin hit 15K. So spare me those stories, please. Keep them to yourself. If you believe because BlackRock and because this ETFs, blah, 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 because they are over there, Bitcoin could not dump to 40K while you're living in a dream, keep living in that dream. I will be buying the blood when it happens. So guys, I think I've said enough for now. I'm going to leave it to you guys now. So share me what questions, if you've got questions, or any questions or any altcoins you want me to chart, maybe some new buy zones, what's going on. So share it with me. I will give you guys like 10 seconds and then we'll dive into those ones. Thank you. Well, what do we got over here? Riff Pop, Danny Dix from Holland, Daniel B. Good morning, bro. What do we got over here? Beaver, Muhammad Ali, we saw Talik Freedom. Good morning. Spending more time with you than with my wife these days. Well, that's a bad thing, bro. That's a bad thing. Well, let's just hope when you're watching this vid that you're making some money based on what I've been sharing past days, weeks, so you can buy her a lot of nice things, bro. Be good to your wife. Wiggle Yanarama, good morning. Bonjour, Monsieur Mamar. Bonjour. Mortgage rates. Oh, I hate that word. Ahmad, Anand Gunja, Martin G. Hi, great review of the day. 100% true by the DBS always. So let me show you guys something else. What are these scammy wheels doing over here? What are they doing? I really, I like to watch the scammy Bitfinex wheels. I love these guys, by the way. These guys, they never let me down. Really never, ever let me down. These scammy Bitfinex wheels, what are they doing? Well, what is going on over here? We got a range over here. They're ranging over here. But let's see, what did the previous ranges do? Range up. What was this range? Range up. Over here, range up. But we're not seeing an up for like What was this? From November 23. We didn't see up. There's no up over here. Why is there no up whales? What's going on? Why are you not going up? What is making you afraid? Why are you not going up? They're also not dumping. It's not going down. But why are you not going up? This is taking too much time, guys, this accumulation zone. And you guys know in TA, when something has been accumulating so long, if this thing goes up, it could go up very, very, very hard. So it might make a pump up to here. So I'm just saying. I'm showing you the charts. And charts don't lie. Charts don't lie. Because are you seeing what I'm seeing? There is no up over here. Where is the up? Over here we always saw up. But there is no up for like, what is it? Almost 7 months. There is no up. Why is there no up? What are you guys planning? Do you want to wreck us on this up? Because we will be totally wrecked if this thing goes up. So when is the up going to happen? Because when the up is going to happen, that's when we will get filled on our bags and we're gonna buy the blood. But we need this up. So Bitfinex wheels, we want to see the up. Where is the up? Let me show you guys another one, very important one. You know, I'm always on the charts, guys. I'm always checking everything. To nail your targets and nail your predictions, you have to be all over it. Nothing. You have to check it all. What are these guys want to do? They try to break out over here. You remember this spike up? This is when we made a lot of money when we predicted the previous dump. Not this dump, the previous dump. We predicted it over here. Do you remember? I shared this. We made a lot of money shorting and filling our bags over here. But, you know, what is this gold want to do? Does gold want to spike up again? Maybe. Let me show you guys this one. What is this thing gonna? What is going on over here? What is going on over here? What do you want to do? Do you want to up, hold this level and then go up? Or do you want to make this double top over here? Is this what you want to do? You want to make a double top? Okay. Keep in mind, if this thing makes a double top, that will be bad for our crypto bags also. Or it just dumps down and crypto rises up and make a double bottom over here. So we will get some more green a couple of days, weeks. And then over here it goes up. But keep it in mind. I'm just saying, guys. I'm just saying. So let's see. What do we've got over here? We got T-Fuel and back. T-Fuel, turtles, T-Fuel. I really don't get it. What are you doing with T-Fuel? Why are you so focused on T-Fuel? What's going on with T-Fuel? Why do you want to check T-Fuel? What I really don't. And bags. What is bags? Bags. Let me see these bags. What is bags? Bags USDT. I really don't get it. Why you're eyeing T-Fuel? I don't know. Maybe it will be a big pump from T-Fuel. I really have no clue. But bags. What is bags? What is this bags? BUP. What is BUP? I really have no clue what BUP. BUP, bags, BUP. What is BUP? Let's see what BUP. What is this? Is this a beam code or what is this? I really have no clue what BUP is. Oh my god. Common group. I really have no clue what BUP is. What is BUP? Let me check it over here. I really have no clue. What is this coin? BUP. What is this BUP? What is BUP? I really have no clue what BUP is. BUP markets. It's listed on MEXC coin. Well, BUP. I really have no clue what BUP is, so maybe you can explain what BUP is. BUP has got a market cap of 7 million or 8 million. Fully diluted market cap, also looking very good. And it's just in a downtrend, as you can see, bro. So I really have no clue what this BUP coin is, but it's like hitting the trend line over here. It's coming down. Yeah, low market cap. Tokenomics look good. I really have no clue what BUP is, but trading-wise, I really have no clue what this is. It's looking good, very low market cap, could make a nice rise up, so only to here would be a 5x. No, how much is it though? How much is it? Yeah, a 5x over here. So you got a 5x if it hits the... But this is, I really have no clue what BOP is. So maybe... Well, let me check on this BOP. I'm liking the tokenomics. Why not? Let me write it down. I'm going to do some checks about BOP. Why BOP? I really have no clue what BOP is. Let me write it down. I'm going to do some research on this one. 8 million market cap. I really have no clue what BOP is. So BOP. I'm going to check on BOP. Thanks for showing us BOP. How's your BTC looking, bro? Yes, that's a good one. Those are the ones that I like. Let me check. That's a good one, bro. Let me check. Where are my charts? Where are my charts? It's my blue list. So my altcoins. Where is my blue list? Here's my blue list over here. Well, we hit this resistance zone. Let me put on the indicator. Oh, we made this rise up, getting rejected again. So altcoins are getting a sort of a breather over here. So yeah, well, it's just, you see this 4 hour, it's really holding so strong. So over here, if this thing rises up, it will create more blood. It will create more blood. So as you guys can see, my alarms are set over here. And well, for the altcoin holders, let's just hope that this thing at some point, yeah, you're not catching. I'll leave it like that. So dominance, it's just on a rise, bro. It's looking so bullish. It's just going up. So altcoins are still getting super wrecked over here. Well, we got this two candles, but this is nothing. So for now, I really think that yeah, it's Bitcoin season. It's just Bitcoin season. Let me see. She thanks you, bro. Well, I'm very happy for that. Be good for that, bro. Be good for your wife. Be very good for your wife. Long-term AI coin margin. I'm bullish on AI coins. I think that AI is the future and nothing gonna stop that one. So I'm waiting for the retrace, and I told in my previous vid 30% minimum of 30% of your spot portfolio long-term portfolio should be in solid AI coins. So I'm very bullish on AI. No, I didn't try TradingView screener to check the volume. Should I? I'm gonna check on that one. I really have no clue. Long-term RWA coin, VJ. Yes, Danny. Well, Danny, it's very simple. If crypto is here to stay, well, those RWA coins, they will explode at some moment, at some point, because they've got a utility. So if crypto is here to stay and it's the future, and a lot of countries are gonna join crypto, well, the RWA, it's, you know, it will answer also your question on VeChain. VeChain has got it all: RWA, AI, blockchain technology, utilities. That's why I love VeChain, and it's just, you know. That's why I love VeChain. VeChain has got it all. It's all in one package. MEXC, very good one. MEXC. Because, you know, we're having the ETH spot EF getting approved, but we didn't see any MEXC really Ethereum just ramping up. And MEXC, you know, you have to see it like this. MEXC, if it's about Ethereum, MEXC is about the strongest layer 2 that is over there. But you know, MEXC had a nice rise. It was the most bullish coin in the previous cycle, together with another altcoin. But MEXC, I'm not hearing a lot about the team. And you know, MEXC has got about the best marketing team out there, and they are just not showing themselves. What's going on with MEXC? So MEXC is very simple, bro. It's around the 50-cent regions, and over here, just buy a bag and let's hope for the best. But just keep in mind that everything's changing. It's now about AI. So is MEXC still in the picture over here? Because MEXC didn't dump yet that much. Because MEXC, you see, it's still very high. You see, it's not at bottom formations. So MEXC between the 50 and 30 cents is where I think MEXC. And it depends on Ethereum. Ethereum needs to show some strength. But you know, sometimes you must not live in the past. Because like VeChain is also an old dog, but VeChain has been has been increasing their RWA, AI, blockchain, new partnerships, etc. It's not the same. So VeChain is really working hard, and you know, it's not like MEXC. And MEXC, I'm not hearing a lot about MEXC. So that's about MEXC. Arweave, oh my God, Arweave has been pumping like crazy, bro. Arweave, where's Arweave? Let me do Arweave. Where are you? Arweave. This is Arweave. This. Oh my God. Okay. Well, Arweave is trying this cup and handle. It has gotten rejected and came down to the indicator. As you can see. You see over here, it's holding now at the indicator. But let me tell you this. Arweave, I missed the bump of Arweave. I didn't trade it. I didn't buy it. So I'm pretty sick about that one. I didn't follow the Arweave move, this move up. This was a pretty big move, guys. This was a 4-5x. We did make money on Arweave, the team on a short over here. They shorted this on my call. But Arweave is a monster. Arweave is a monster. And they are, I think that they are also in... it's not only storage, it's also something with AI. They've been doing so. They have been working hard and they're creating something beautifully. So Arweave, if it comes back to the 90 bucks, 18 bucks, Arweave might be a scoop. And if you're trading wise, well, this is 26. So if we will not get a dump on Bitcoin, maybe it will make a rise up from here, from the indicator. But, this train left me behind. I'm not gonna chase it. I chase the ones that are in these regions. But Arweave really are looking really good. Yeah, trading view screen is good, bro. Check it out. Let's put it in the market cap, etc. And it automatically updates. Yes, well, I'm gonna check it, Freedom. I'm gonna check it. If it's solid, if it's good, I'm gonna check it. Trading view screener. They have been emailing me a lot about new things that they have been adding lately on the premium, because I've got the premium version of TradingView, and they've been adding a lot of new stuff that I have not been testing. So I'm gonna spend some time testing all those new futures on TradingView, and when I complete them, I will make a vid for you guys explaining you all the new things on tools on TradingView, and if the volume and the market caps, etc. will be added to it, and it's solid info, so it's not paid shield info, then I will definitely make a vid about that. A good one, Freedom. I will definitely check that one out. Let me go to the next, guys. Let me go to the next. Where is the next? Where is the next? Let me see. Oh my God, I've got so many charts over here. Where is the next? Chelo. I already said it, guys. Chelo, I'm bullish on Chelo. I think that Chelo is Chelo will do very good, and it's also a low market cap for my opinion. And look at this, guys. We're just coming back. Look at this. It's as if nothing happened. We're just heading back into this zone. That's really pathetic, in my opinion, with Bitcoin being at 70K and Chelo still getting so super wrecked. Let me show you guys that. Look at this also. I talked about this. Look at this. Look where we are. So Chelo, I'm very bullish on Chelo. It's Chelo when it gets into the box over here. I'm just gonna buy Chelo again and make a lot of money, just like we did over here. We made a lot of money on Chelo. We're gonna make a lot of money again. So 50 cents and below, I'll be buying Chelo. It's in my top 10 coins, so it's something. AVAX has been getting wrecked lately. I'm not so interested in AVAX, to be honest, because I'm no AVAX buyer, but AVAX has been getting totally destroyed lately. Let's see. I'm not so interested in AVAX, but look at this, guys. Retail fam waiting. Yeah, waiting in the box. When they were over here waiting, well, we are waiting over here, and it already made a 50%. This is looking super bearish, by the way, guys. Look at this on the weekly. So anyone that has been owning AVAX bags should have seen this. Rejected. This is looking so bad. So it's over here, retail fund waiting, 22 bucks or lower. That's AVAX. And I think that AVAX is looking super bad. But guys, it's really looking bad. So let me see. What do you think were crazy meme coins? Lots of them. Brett, well, I already talked about it, and the team shorted it. Based on that one, I made a lot of money. That's about Brett. And I think you guys have to be patient with me, because now we're with Powell and a lot of other things going on. You have to watch my OKX Web3 wallet. You can buy, we can buy all the meme coins over there, and I'm preparing for the next meme coin cycle, and that's when we'll be buying a lot of meme coins. Yes, but I don't like to buy meme coins that already have a market cap of $1 billion or 1.5 or 2 billion. I like to buy meme coins when they are at 10, 20 million, 50 million, 100 million, and then go in and just use the indie and just make a lot of money. That's just how it is. Yes, we're gonna check it. Okay, let me. CKB, I like this one. CKB, this CKB, I think something. I shared it in a free private, I think, but there is something with this CKB. I don't know what's going on with this CKB. We didn't make money on this rise up. I didn't see it, but this CKB almost hit new all-time highs. That's crazy, by the way, guys. Let me check the tokenomics. I'm really interested. What's going on with this CK? I'm going to show you guys, after this, I'm going to show you guys one coin that I'm interested in. I want to add it to my top 20 coins. So please remind me if I forget about it, because sometimes I forget about this thing when I'm talking about. I'm going to show you guys another coin. Let me, CKB, this coin, Nervous Network. I don't know what's going on with these guys. What are they building? Because listen, this rise up was pretty impressive, guys. This is, what was it? This was a rise of, I missed this one totally, by the way, guys. Oh my God, this was a 10x. Mind-blowing, 10x in a matter of, guys, we have to keep an eye on this one. So 625 million with a 630 tokenomics looking great. That's also why we saw this rise up, but it doesn't explain this dump down. So yes, CK. Let me write it down. CKB will be added. Because I have to do some research first about the fundamentals. But there is something going on with this. There is something going on with this CKB. What's going on? What are these guys building? So for now, CKB, bro, we need to hold this zone. We need to hold 13 because it comes together with this liquidity zone over here, bro. This is something to keep an eye on. Listen, guys, if this thing dumps down to the, I'm gonna say it now. If this thing dumps down, I'm gonna do research on this one first of all, and when I ended my research and it looks good, I'm gonna buy some of this. So I'm gonna put in, after my research, I'm gonna put in my buy orders on CKB, especially over here, 0.008 or 0.009 or 10, something over here. So in this block, from the 10 to the 8, I'm gonna put in some buy. I'm gonna buy some of this. I really have no clue what it is. I have to do some research about them. But if the research will be solid, I will start. So this will be my start buy. It's at 0.01 to 0.008 because I'm liking this CKB. It's looking really good. Let's see, OKX wallet's great. Listen, guys, this OKX wallet, I told you, I spoke with the freaking, I don't know if he was Chinese, I don't know what he was, but I spoke to the freaking creator of that thing. You know how it was really, I was with him and he was really loving my style of analysis and how I do things. So he's not into analyzing markets. That's not his thing. He's really only based on building these. It's really, I've been speaking with the guy for an hour. It's really mind blowing what these guys are building. It's really mind blowing. You know, I envy the guy how you know, it's really mind blowing. And you know, I've been testing it myself and I'm really loving the thing. And you know, my wallet is safe. I don't have to use MetaMask, Cross Wallet, this wallet, that chain, this chain, that chain. It's just easy for me. Just on the OKX app, I buy some Solana or I buy some Ethereum. I just flip it to my wallet. On my wallet, I just swap it and that's it. And that's it. And that's it. It's that easy, all in one app. By the way, guys, I really think that OKX will be flipping Binance very soon. I think, I really, based on what I've been hearing and based on some info that I cannot share with, I think that OKX will be the next thing. By the way, we're gonna also check the OKX native token to trade in the free private very soon. Remind me. Oh yeah, I was going to show you a coin. Remind me, because I told you remind me. You didn't remember me, remind me. So let me show you guys a coin that I'm also very bullish on. I made a vid about this one a few months ago, and well, we nailed that one, but let's see what's going on over here. This coin over here. Listen, this anchor thing. Let me show the tokenomics. Let me show you guys. This anchor. This will be at now. It will be added in my top 20 for sure. Anchor, guys. Anchor is really also this coin is this project. Do some research on it. This thing could be very, very huge. It's on a market cap of 374. The tokenomics are looking great. 375 fully diluted. Guys, if this thing, you see my alarms are already set. If this thing, my buy orders are also set, by the way. If this thing comes into this region of 30 cents to the 20 cents, I'll be buying, loading up a lot of Anchor. No financial advice. Do your research on this one. I don't know the team. I'm not getting paid to say this. It's no shill. It's just, I'm telling you what I'm going to do. I'm just telling what I'm going to do. This zone over here that you're seeing is the first one where I'll be loading up. So we need, what is this? We need a dump of, let's just say 20 to 30% dump more. Come on, Anchor. Come now. Let's fill our bags. Lena is in a debt spiral. Well, bro, Lena is one of the best coins we traded past weeks. We longed the shit out of it and we predicted the top exactly. And you know, not all of them, but some have been shorting it at the top also. They made a lot of money. And Lena is just, let me show you Lena, because why not? Lena coming back. Why not? Why not? Why would Lena not? Lena, come here, Lena. Where are you, Lena? Listen, this is Lena. This is Lena against Bitcoin. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? You see this? Guys, just to give you guys that pump that we made on Lena, that money that we made, so much money. It was just this tiny spike up. And are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? That's why you just have to own the best indicator in the world. That's why you need to join the free private. That's why there is a link below of Weex, OKX, or MEXC. That's why there's a description below how you can join the best community, trading community on the webs. That's why a lot of big influencers are watching these vids and following our alpha without saying so. So, because they know this is the best trading community. And the only problem is that those stupid retailers don't see it. they want to get into a show to win a prize. Well, okay, go watch a show when to win a prize. The prize is knowledge. Knowledge is prize. Knowledge is money. Education, dedication. Getting yourself in the game, making money, buying in low, selling high, shorting at the right time, long at the right time. That's how you're gonna win prizes. That's how, win your own damn prizes. But listen, guys, you see this rejection? We're back over here. Look at this. Lena, let me show you Lena. You see, this was how I shared it. This was it. This was it. So it was this pump up, down, and then this pump up, lower, low, down. So this is not looking good, guys. So in the box, I'll be buying, just like shared over here. So everything below 0.07 to 0.05 is just a buy for me. Because Lena, by the way, I want to tell you, Lena is also looking very good over here. Let me, wait a minute before. There's so many altcoins, I forget about it. Let me see, Lena, guys, Lena, yeah, it's a 50 million market cap with an 84 million fully diluted. So this thing, when it gets into the box, I'll be buying some Lena. Lena's looking real good. Okay, gonna do the last one, then we're gonna close it up. Gonna close a very interesting project today. Yes, only G-Man. Could you explain what I need to join? It's very simple. Yes. This is a very good question, G-Man. I'm gonna explain you guys exactly how you can join the free private, because I'm getting a lot of DMs and a lot of people, they just don't quite get it. Although the description is very, very, very clear. First of all, if you want to join the free private, you have to be trading on a vault. You have to. It's not like you just open up a Weex account, put in like $100, and then you DM Will Killer. Well, I open up an account and I've got like $100 over there, and well, I want to join the free private. It does not work like that. It just doesn't, because you know what happens is that we'll get a lot of scammers in our group. And those are people that just put in from very poor countries, and they just put in like $50 or $100, and then they get into the private. And what they will do, they will duplicate all the info out there and start paid groups, and they share just the same alpha over there, and they get like $50, $100 a month from retailers. So what we do, especially the team, because I'm a bit soft, I'm a softie, but the team is very strict. If you're not trading on volume, meaning that they have to see that you're really an investor. So if you want to trade leverage at $500, just don't do it. $500 will get you wrecked. You get liquidated, you lose all your money. Or you have to be trading on very, very tiny volumes. That's how you can manage. But you know, I know that there are some influencers out there that will tell you that you can make $1 million with $300 or $500. It's just a big scam. It's just a big BS. If you have if your portfolio, you have only own like $500, my advice to you, I'm no financial advisor, but I will give you my advice. Buy some low cap gem or buy some low cap meme coin. Go do a lot of research. Just buy it on spot and hodl it. Maybe it will make you 5-10x, and that's how you make money. Don't go leverage trading with $200, $300, $500. You will not. You will get liquefied at some point. You can win maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades, but you only need to lose one, and then you get liquidated. So if you want to make money, you need money. So the ones that are DMing me with $500 or $300 too, first of all, the minimum is $500, and that's when the team will start checking if you are trading on volume or not, or you're just having that $500 over there, just letting it sleep over there and be, well, I've been making some small trades, and well, and why can't we join? Because the team is very strict. They really need to be sure that you are a serious investor trader. You want to make really money, and real serious traders don't get in with $300 to $400, and that's just not how it works. And the volume, what the volume is, I really have no clue. The team decides that they just know the difference between someone that's really trying to invest and to trade and someone that's just playing around just to get his interest in. And by the way, guys, if you also get your interest in and they will see that you withdraw your money and just whatever you're doing and you're not trading, they will remove you. They will remove you. So there's really no need. And guys, I'm making live vids. If you don't own enough money, I make live vids almost daily. I make vids daily. I do a lot of things, guys, on daily basis. So you guys can all get a lot of alpha out of me. When you're ready and you're ready to put in serious money and you want to join really starting to active trade, that's when you get into the group, because that's when the group will help you. And if you just have a couple of $100, why go waste your time in a trading group that are really focused on leverage trading? Why? Just don't. My advice is just don't. Just don't join that group. I'm here on CT, I'm on Twitter, I share a lot of alpha over there. So please, guys, don't join in if you don't own the funds. So because if you want to start trading, you need funds, you need money. If you don't own money, you can't make money. It's just how it is. I'm not selling you dreams. I'm not going to sell you hopes, because it's just not the reality. The reality is, if you want to make money, you need, first of all, be ready to lose money. And that's when you start educating and making that money. But if you just get in with a low amount, sorry guys, but don't waste your time on that. Let me see. The ticker for hours is AX. That's the said on Twitter earlier. I put it on. Let's see. Thanks, bro. Still don't understand. I could put more off memes, etc. You know, bro, we are. What is this? Still don't understand. I could put more, but it's a new exchange. It's a new exchange. Are you afraid? Are you afraid with $100 on Weex or $500 or 1K? Come on, bro. Do some research on Weex. Weex is trading on super high volumes. They even have bigger volumes than MEXC on Bitcoin. Go do some research, bro. What are you talking about with, I don't want to put a lot of money on a new exchange? These guys have got 1,000 Bitcoin as a safe fund. Do some research, bro. if you're afraid, you know, do you know how much money goes around on Weex? Okay, well, that's just how it is. Okay, guys, I'm gonna close it up. I want to thank you all for watching. Have a nice one today. Be prepared. A lot of volatility is going to happen today. So we're gonna trade the ranges. The team is going to trade the ranges. Buy orders are set. Let's see what Powell's gonna bring us today. Have a nice one. Thank you all for watching. Push on the like if you want to join the free private. The links are below. Read the description. Please read the description before you're gonna make any move. Yes, okay, thank you very much and bye-bye.